Alright, in this video we're going to show how to install the TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim trading platform on the Mac. Alright, to start we're going to open up a browser and we're going to visit the URL www.thinkorswim.com. This is going to take you to the TD Ameritrade's page that describes the Thinkorswim trading platform. At the bottom of this page is a link to download the installer for Thinkorswim. So we'll go here and click this link, and since we're installing for the Mac, we're going to click the Mac OS X link at the top, and it should take us to a section to download the installer for Thinkorswim. It also gives us a little bit of instructions. So the version of Thinkorswim that we're getting ready to install, you got to make sure that your machine has version 10.7.3 of OS X in order to run this version. So we'll go ahead and click Thinkorswim. This should install or download the installer into our download folder. So let's visit our download folder, and as you can see here, this is the file. We'll wait a while before it completely downloads. It should rename itself to be something similar to Thinkorswim. Okay, the Thinkorswim installer completed downloading. It should be located in the downloads folder. Once you locate the file, just double click it. And what will happen is you have a folder that contains the Thinkorswim installer. It's an icon. So double click it. You should have a window that says Thinkorswim installer is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Absolutely. So click open. And it should begin the installer. And it gives you the option of selecting different languages. There are other languages in here, but for this video, we're going to select English. Go ahead and click OK. And it should open up or start with the Welcome to Thinkorswim Setup Wizard. So this is the main page to begin the installation. So we go ahead and click Next. And it prompts us with an update installation. In this case, I have installed the Thinkorswim trading platform previously, so it has existing files on this machine. But if you're going to install it for the first time, you probably will not see this message. It probably will contain just install. It's pretty much the same steps, so we're going to click Next. And so the process begins. It's in the process of installing the Thinkorswim platform. Okay, so next should be a license agreement that is displayed, and it gives you the option whether to acknowledge the agreement or to not agree with the agreement. So you want to click I acknowledge. And then next we're going to click the next button. Okay, so the installing or installation process begins. So it's preparing to install, and it starts to extract files. It kind of identifies where the files are going to be written. In this case, like I mentioned previously, that we have a previous version on here, so it's going to overwrite. I just click yes to all. And it continues and install the Thinkorswim trading platform. Okay, so this completes the installation. So to actually run Thinkorswim, it's already selected. All we have to do is click the finish button. And the Thinkorswim main prompt displays. So this is the actual initial screen to the Thinkorswim trading platform. What it's going to do is installing everything, installing updates, retrieving information from TD Ameritrade. And so it's going to give you the ability to pretty much to log into Thinkorswim platform. And this is what we'll do before we sign off. And so we use this prompt. You have the login credentials. You have the ability to enter your username, your password. And in TD Ameritrade, once you have an account set up, you pretty much have a live trading account. And also they give you like a paper money account, which is a virtual trading account where you can actually practice. For this case, we'll use my paper trading account. And let's just log in. And just click login. And what it should do is just open up and log into the Thinkorswim trading platform. And this is the Thinkorswim trading platform. And this is what we wanted to show. Happy trading.